Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add embedded Instagram feed onto your Wix website. It's really easy to do. Before we get started, I'm just going to let you guys know that I do have a full Wix playlist, link to it at least down in the comments and description. It's just basically a bunch of Wix tutorials and tricks. So if you want more help or anything like that, just be sure to go check those out. If I don't have a video that you're looking for, just let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to make more tutorials. Anyhow, all you have to do to add this feed to your website is you just want to go over to Site Actions and Edit Website, just to bring you over to your Wix website editor. If you're already there, perfect. Now, once your website editor is open, all you have to do is go over to the left side where you see Add, click on Add, and you just want to search here for Instagram. And once you search, you'll see a bunch of stuff just pop up. And under Apps for your site, you'll see Instagram feed. You just want to click Open on that. And then it'll bring you over to the Wix app market. You just want to click on Add. I already have one, so it's just going to say Add again for me. But all you want to do is click on Add here for yourself. And then we'll pop open this right here where you have the feed. So you just want to drag it to whoever you would like. You could also adjust it and stuff if you want to make it a bit smaller. Totally up to you. But all you have to do to connect it to your Instagram is just click on Settings. And then you'll see here Connect Instagram, which is under the main tab. And then you just want to click on Connect. And then it will just load up into your Instagram site. And then you just want to authorize that. And then it will then load in your pictures. I personally don't have any posts, so it's not going to show anything here, like where it says right here, the account you connected has no posts. But for you, you will have your post here, and then you can go to customize it if you would like, as well as changing the layout and stuff like that. Anyhow, I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to add the Instagram feed to your Wix website. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.